Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all how to make an amazing stewed Saheena, and today's recipe is dedicated to Dominic. So Dominic, I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope everyone else enjoys it also. It's perfect for this Diwali. So to start with this recipe, we're going to put up our saucepan or your pot on a medium heat and add in some oil. To the oil, go in with some brown or granulated sugar. Allow the sugar to melt until it's nice and soft. You don't want it to bubble. So once it gets to this consistency, we're going to go in with some chopped onions and some chopped pimento peppers and hot peppers. The hot peppers, guys, please put it. It's going to make this a taste so amazing. We're going to saute the onions and the peppers with that sugar. Now, if you wanted to omit the sugar, of course you can omit it, but I really wanted that little hint of sweetness in there. So allow the onions to cook until they're very soft and tender. And next I'm going to go in with some minced garlic and some chopped tomatoes. We're going to mix this in. So mix that in. And now you want to season with salt to taste. You can always adjust the salt in the end. And just allow the tomatoes to soften. Once the tomatoes are nice and soft, we're going to go in with some roucou powder or annatto powder. This is going to give this stew an amazing color. I'm adding in some green seasoning and I'm going to mix that in. If you can't find the powder, you can use the liquid. So once that has been mixed in, next I'm going to go in with some flour. Now this flour is to help create a really nice thick sauce. So you know it's not watery, but you have a really luxurious sauce that you can eat your rice with. So you want to cook out that flour really well because you don't want to be eating raw flour. So cook it out for about 40 seconds, after which we're going to go in with some water and start mixing. You just want to break up any lumps, and you're going to put enough water to make how much sauce you would like. So I'm going to go in with some more water after I've mixed and I've gotten rid of all those lumps, and this is what it would look like. Just put the amount of liquid or water you want for the amount of sauce you want. I always like my recipes a little more on the saucier side. So once it starts to bubble away like this, go in with your fried Saheena. If you guys want to see how to make this Saheena recipe, I will link it down below for you all. It's really easy to put together and you can use leftover Saheena for this. You just want to coat the Saheena with that delicious stew sauce and allow this to cook in this sauce for about a minute, after which you taste, adjust your salt, and then you can serve this. How easy and how amazing was this, Dominic? Super easy to put together. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. So Dominic, thank you so much for requesting this. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. It's a really great vegetarian recipe to try this Diwali, or if you have leftover Saheena. Thank you guys so much again for watching. Continue to stay safe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.